What is it? Here. Flip it over. Can you open it? Here. It's on the floor. What's all that stuff look like?
What is this?
That's a bobber.
For what?
Open that big long one. I'll show you what it's for.
What is it? You have to open it like
You gotta take all the paper off and then I'll open it.
and open the paper off.
Just rip it. Rip it all the way down.
I can't. My arm is too short.
Well, maybe you should grow longer arms.
There's no card on this.
No, it's okay. It goes with the other card. Can you get into it? Here. Pull these sides out. Yeah.
Where's Maggie?
Maggie's upstairs sleeping.
What's in here?
I don't know. What is it? What is it? Oh, awesome.
Open it?
You want to?
Yeah, so I can pretend.
You can actually take that real fishing this summer in the lake. What do you say to Uncle Mike and Aunt Megan? What do you say?
What is this for?
That's the reel. You can cast the line. Uncle Mike's going to have to show you. Yep. What do you say?
Thank you!
You say I love you?
Thank you.
What do you say? Can you say love you and miss you?
I don't want to say that. I want to say thank you.
You say thank you? You say hi to baby Owen?
Hi, baby Owen.
You blow a kiss?
Huh?
You blow a kiss?